This is the Bitvae X122 toothbrush sterilizer, and we're gonna find out what's actually in the box. Okay. Nice, tight, compact box. Nice, minimalist. Okay. Empty box. Wait, thank you card. Instruction manual. And this is the device itself. Some accessories there. USB-C charger, so that's USB to USB-C. This is the device itself. So this is a mounting plate and an adhesive for the wall. So that's probably for bathroom tiled wall or something like that. And of course, this is chargeable by USB-C. That's the USB-C port. I suppose that's where the toothbrushes go. Does it come charged? I always want to find out. Let's press that, see what happens. All right, so there it is.